Hi everyone, welcome to day 8 of your 12-day New Year's journey. Today is about calming the mind. And when we can calm the mind, we can relax the body. So it's a very short sequence today where we're going to stay connected to our breath and allow the body to just find peace, tranquility, and just so that we're overall at ease and in balance. So we're going to start our practice with our feet hip-width distance apart, our eyes gently closed, the crown of our head lifted to the sky. I would like you to soften the shoulders. Take a nice deep breath here, breathing in and breathing out. One more breath in and out. Now open up your eyes. I'd like you to take your arms all the way up and then take your hand to the heart. Now this time, I'd like you to gather some energy around you, imagining that there's this pool of energy here around. So in the practice of Chinese medicine, we believe that there's qi, energy, life force within us and outside of us. I want you to take this beautiful energy that's around you and then scoop it all the way up. I want you to let it enter into the body at the bottom, so at the very bottom of the spine, even below the tailbone. We call this area the dantian. I want you to scoop it and let it draw into the bottom of the body and let it rise up. And then I want you to push all the way up and then let it release. Come all the way over you and wash. Okay? So I want you to intentionally think about this beautiful energy around you. I want you to bring it to the center of the body. So right to the base of the body, and then bring it all the way up, in through the body, in through the torso, all the way up through the neck and the head. And I want you to carry it all the way up over the head. And then I want you to imagine that you're sprinkling it over. So it's cascading as a beautiful umbrella over the body, all the way around you. So it's just kind of like poof, sprinkling all the way around. Beautiful. Again, breathing in, breathing out. Inhale. And then exhale, sprinkle it and let it cascade. We're gonna do 2 more of those. Breathing in, breathing out. Inhale, taking that energy and allowing it to cascade over you. Sending warm, loving energy all throughout, finding calm and peace. Bring it again, breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale and let it whoosh over you. Breathe out. Well done. I'd like you to take your hand and just start to rub on the outside of your arm. Okay? So we're just taking that hand and rubbing on the outside. This is the yang meridian of our body. Okay? And I want you to warm it up as you do this. So as you are pressing down the outer part of your arm, you are warming up the yang meridian of your channels. Okay, we believe we have like little highways of the body. And so by doing this, we're activating, we're soothing, we're calming this beautiful energy. And then I want you to take it on the inside. So turn the palm up and then just rub inward. Okay, all the way up. Sending loving energy as we do this. But as we do this, we're not just sending loving energy, but we're also activating our chi in our blood. Okay, come all the way across the other side. Down, down, breathing. So I like to do this in a couple ways in the practice. Today's practice is sending loving energy through the body. Okay, we're taking the hand up and sending loving energy, activating and moving the chi and blood. But what would it feel like if today, on day 8, you're feeling kind of grumpy, the body's kind of not very happy? Well, then I want you to switch the narrative. You are going to now say, I am going to release the tension out of my body and I'm done with it. Goodbye. You no longer serve me. I'm done with you. I don't need this negative energy and this tension and grumpiness out of the body. So goodbye. Goodbye. But if we're doing that, saying goodbye, we're sending still loving energy back in. Okay? So turn the palm up, loving energy back in. You got it. And don't forget to breathe. Okay, other side. Goodbye. Goodbye, grumpy shoulders. That's my personal thing. I've got grumpy shoulders, like 2 tears in my shoulders. Out. Goodbye. I don't need you. You're bugging me today. I don't like you today. But I'm going to send loving energy in. Loving energy in. And don't forget to breathe. Perfect. How does that feel? I want you to take a moment and notice, how does the body feel? How do the arms feel? A little tingly, a little more energetic, a little more calm, a little more happy? Okay, take a breath in and out. And now that we've done the upper body, I'm sure the bottom of the body is feeling like, I'm kind of grumpy. I don't want this. I want some love too. So let's give the legs a little love. So go ahead and give right down. I want you to press down. We have to work our core a little here. So tight belly as you press up. Down and then up. Okay, down and inhale up. Down and up, loving energy. Okay, down and up. I want to encourage you, if you do these practices, you can do them any time of day. You're doing them here with me now. But listen, if you are a big fan of moisturizing your body with lotion, do this with lotion. Feels so good. Get the lotion that you love the best, maybe with some lavender in it. Oh, feels so good. Okay, breathe out. Breathe in. Okay, one more. Breathe out. Breathe in. Now, notice how the whole body feels from head down to toes. Inhaling. Exhaling. I'm hoping you're finding a little more calm and feeling a little more at peace today on day 8. Let's go ahead and close our practice. I want you to close your eyes. We're going to do a little body scan here. Soften your face. Relax your scalp. Soften your jaw. Soften your shoulders. Release the tension out of those collarbones, your chest, your back, your belly. Give yourself permission to relax your belly, your hips, your thighs, your knees. Keep on breathing and relax with each breath out. Relax the shins, your calves, your ankles. Relax your toes. And now from head down to toes, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Finding a little bit of calm and peace. Well done, everyone. Thank you for joining me. Let's take a moment to thank for the gift of today. And please thank yourself for doing something wonderful for your mind, body, and spirit. Namaste, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on day 9 tomorrow. Peace. Namaste.